Batang Kangkalu versus sa Batang Abra Game 1 sa North Division Finals. Sa pangunguna ni Titing Manalili.
Another 3 para kay Manalili. Second of the ball game by Lozano. Backs the lane and gets the end one.
Nakahanap ata ng katapat sila Manalili. Nilampaso ba naman sila?
Get it into Miranda. The baseline is open. Goes it to 5. Alfanta pulls the trigger.
At nagkabigayan pa si Pablo at si Belgado. Gumanti ata ng suntok sa mukha ni Pablo. Mainit ito.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays make big time plays.
Sports Arena. Isang magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. I'm Mendihar kasama Renzo Navarro along. First na nakita natin dito sa Alonte Sports Arena, Renzo, na maaga nag-warm up for this game number 1, but it's Alfanta will get the first basket in that victory against San Juan. Looking to make an impact here para sa Caloocan. Manggubat makes it 5-0, knocking down the triple.
Back-to-back baskets para ninyo Batang Kangkalu.
Looking to go inside. Pablo off the glass. Gets the bounce.
And that's the reason why for that ball down low, believing na meron siyang mismatch pero Manggubat just opting to shoot that 3-pointer. And speaking of shooting a 3-pointer, here comes
5 and 40 still remaining dito sa ating first quarter. Balik sila kay Pablo kontra Panapanaan. Step back. Knocks it down. 4 points early para kay Luis.
well, we can clearly.
Sila Luis Pablo but has that midi working for him.
And again, if that's gonna be a consistent weapon for Luis Pablo.
1 point lead, 9-8. Another 3 para kay Manalili. Second of the ball game para kay Titing.
And you can see it in his eyes that he's just looking to score, just looking to lead his team in this game.
Obligado naman ang sasagot para sa Batang Abra Weavers. Kapalitan ng
Session. Kaya talagang maganda yung kinalabasan ng laro na yun.
Obligado, able to escape Gagate. Batang Abra up by 2, 13-11. Manalili this time goes inside for another basket. Make that 8 here in the first para kay Titing. In terms of looking for his shot, shadowed by Lozano. Backs the lane and gets the end one.
If you're
Shoot. Mangubat. Shot rattles out. Another offensive rebound by Locsin, but blocked. Able to recover. Great resilience there. Finds Lozano in the corner. Free for a 3 and knocks down the triple.
that's just the perfect way.
Goes to Despi. Goes up for a triple. Short. But there is Manzano for the cleanup job.
Sa nila he's the one just attacking and making plays para sa kanyang team.
Mangubat his second triple of the game. Outside shooting here para sa Rubico decides to pull up for a 3. A short shot. Despi able to keep it alive. Ganda namang galaw sa loob for 2.
Back-to-back offensive read.
Titing has yet to take a rest here in this game. One-hander will fall. Make that 13 now para kay Manalili.
Titing Manalili, hindi mo siya kayang stop totally eh. So, kailangan mo lang talagang mamili. And ayun, yun nga eh. Like what you said.
Alam niya na yan. Nicole Lim yan. Hindi na niya naabutan. Rosano gets another 3 para sa Batang Abra Weavers. Make that 10 points at Mangubat. But Pablo on the switch. Left all alone is Alfanta makes the pay.
That's the second 3-pointer of Alfanta out on him. Pero again, great job for Batang Abra Weavers to locate their shooters.
Manalili finally will answer para sa Caloocan. That's the lead down to 17, 47-30. Alfanta this time on the attack. Gets another basket.
And again, this galing sa executions eh. Talagang minsan may challenge pa, minsan 4 shots. Habang itong Batang Abra Weavers, every na filled in, wala sa scouting report ng kalaban. But if you give them a chance, they might be able to help you out. And this is a good start para sa...
Balik sila kay Pablo on the block kontra Eligado. Pablo pa rin, PP hit. Finds Desabel underneath.
And that's what I'm talking about, really.
Cutting the lead down to 19. Lozano. Oh, sportsman-like foul. Signaled here by our official.
See that, but pagbaba sa kabila, I think he just wanted to give it back to Luis Pablo, no? Pero yun kasi ang usually nakikita, yung gante.
Gusto niya lang suklian. Irian talaga sa ilalim ng Pablo and Deligado. So, ng ating mga officials.
But if you're Eligado,
Ito yung play earlier, you were saying Renzo. Where Eligado did fall down. Hands it off to Rubico for another three. Gets his second triple dito sa ating third quarter. Trying to challenge the defense. Couldn't finish with the left. He run to the other end. Rubico ahead of the pack. He finishes with his offhand.
and what a quarter, what a
Stolen away. Manalili. Spin move. This pass stolen by Ivan Panapanaan. Takbo dito ang batang Abra Weaver Slamtex. Alfanta. Still no goal. But there for the follow. Make it an end one. Pablo after that excellent find from Rubico.
napakasikip na pasa nun. But Matthew Rubico was able to deliver that ball to Luis Pablo, and
Looks in, ahead to Alfanta na naman. Challenges Desabel, missing on the layup. Follow also short, but the third try will fall para kay Masan. Miranda, dropping it off. Masiglat with a bucket.
what a great find galing dito.
Excellent feed. Herrera connects with Lozano.
And this is usually Caloocan batang Kangkalu. Again, we can see the thing Manalili just really trying to find opportunities for his team, but itong si Tikas ito so medyo mahirap din talagang basahin kung ano yung gagawin niya.
Looks in, connects with Lozano. Another dime para kay Jid.
And itong si Loxin, he's just orchestrating very well. Every time he comes in, talagang merong automatic na mga 2 to 3 assist agad.
Pablo, finally.
Pero si Rubico, I mean, hindi niya na nadugtungan yung kanyang mainit na start in that third quarter.
Mangubat, able to zip it in. Full stop for three. Packs it down.
That was Miranda's turn to
They get it into Miranda. The baseline is open. Goes reverse for the bucket.
back-to-back basket.
Alfanta. Gets stripped. Manalili. Able to get it ahead to Desabel for the easy layup. Next. Shot is down to 5. Alfanta pulls the trigger. Gets another triple. Mac Alfanta has 22. 27 pala kanina. Make that 30 points now. 85 to 55. Gazinga.
Second game, no, they would need these players and a lot of help from the bench. We're talking about itong Caloocan batang Kangkalu.
Kangkalu talagang medyo malaki na yung kailangang habulin for
You don't like that! You don't like NBA basketball!